Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is the use of Microsoft Authenticator app. So this is pretty simple. So what is the Authenticator app you might say? So this is a verification application used by modern companies right now, such as even your Binance, such as your games. There are third-party applications that you can install so that you will have to sign in with just your account and without using a password. So you can use a fingerprint, face recognition, or a PIN, but with Authenticator, you can sign in with your Microsoft personal work, school, or other accounts with just a tap of a code. So here we are in our, so that's scan QR. So I was testing it out. So we're in Authenticator right here. So basically all you have to do is add up your account right here. So personal account. If you want, you can sign it with your Microsoft or you can scan your QR code, which I'm about to do right here and scan it. And as you can see that I can sign in already with my Microsoft with just this number of code. So it's going to be a 6-digit code that you can use. So it's going to be recurring every 15 seconds if I'm not mistaken. So let's just see it right here. No, it's 30 seconds. So if you try to log in into my account, it's not going to be the same code anymore. So this refreshes every 30 seconds. So even though you try to log into my account, it's not gonna work, guys. So don't bother. So it's pretty secure, as you can see. So when I sign into my new account, so when I go to Microsoft or something else, so I'll just tap this code right here and copy it and paste it, and I'll be able to actually just enter to my account. And it's just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is your Authenticator app right here. So you can actually manage it right here. You can even remove the account right here. If you don't want to, you can add multiple accounts. So there you go. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.